Today, I'll tell a story about someone who sparked a revolution of women's education in India and see what type of changes she brought in Indian society. She is a pioneer for feminists in our country. You might have heard her briefly mentioned in your history textbooks. She was born in Nayagaon, which is in Maharashtra. She was born in the year 1831. She belonged to Shudra caste. She got married to Jyotiba Phule in 1840 when she was only 10 years old. She was very much interested in educating herself. Even her husband started teaching her at home. Jyotiba also assisted her in her effort. He was teaching her to read and write. She passed all her exams and she became certified to be a teacher. In 1848, the couple started the first Indian-run schools for girls in Bhidewara in Pune. The couple opened many schools in many places. Many girls started attending schools. Fatima Sheikh also joined her in teaching women from society. The number of girls in their school was 10 times more than the number of boys in government school. She was against child marriage and she tried her best to stop that. In 1852, she started women's rights organization called Mahila Seva Mandal and organized a successful barber's strike to protest the practice of shaving widows' head. The couple was also running Satya Shodhak Samaj, where they were also fighting for several other issues. When Jyoti Rao, her husband, passed away on November 28, 1890, she broke all norms when she lit his funeral pyre. In 1897, a wave of bubonic plague hit Nalaspora. While taking care of the afflicted, she contracted the disease herself. She succumbed to the disease and died on March 10, 1897. So, dear friends, she was none other than Savitri Bai Phule. She brought a big change in women's education in India, and we are indebted to her tireless work. So, dear friends, if you like this story, please do comment me in my comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.